Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting into an online session, so the game exposes tutorial controls. This avoids offline-only menus. Once loaded, press pause and go straight to the online tab where character and session controls live. Make sure you're on the character you want to keep, because some cancellation options affect new characters. Then open options inside online to reveal tutorial and help controls. This is where you begin canceling the onboarding prompts and any forced guided mission sequences. You now disable the tutorial flow by toggling the in-game help options. This removes pop-up guides and the automatic mission tutor. On consoles, the toggle is an online right arrow options. On PC, it's under pause right arrow settings if you're in an online session. Make sure to change both if you switch platforms. When a tutorial prompt appears, select skip or cancel rather than starting it. If the game asks you to restart to apply, do so and rejoin your preferred session to make the settings stick. Finish by confirming the tutorial and help text toggles stayed off and that you can enter free mode without prompts. If the tutorial still forces, try simple fixes. Leave to story mode, then rejoin online, clear console cache, or verify integrity of game files on PC. These refresh persistent settings. If nothing works, reinstalling is a last resort. Make sure to back up progress. And if you remain stuck, contact Rockstar support, because account-side flags occasionally re-enable onboarding, and they can clear them for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.